Hi there, welcome to Loomly, and thank you for joining us for our flash webinar on how to utilize social media trends for your business. My name is Christy, and I'm the social media manager here at Loomly. Let's dive in. The goal of this flash webinar is to present an overview of the various social media trends, how to spot them, as well as how they can be utilized to promote your business. This quick but in-depth presentation won't take more than 15 minutes. My colleague Amanda will be answering any questions you have in the Q&A section. Now, let's get started. Social media trends are a great way to increase reach and engagement, as they also humanize a brand and make it feel more current and relatable. When it comes to trending content, we want to be transparent about what content you can and can't schedule to auto-post with Loomly. Due to API limitations with Instagram and TikTok, trending audios, filters, and CapCut templates are not currently supported. As Loomly does support images and graphics, you can schedule custom memes to publish automatically with Loomly. I use Loomly to plan and schedule evergreen content, which frees up my time to find trends and create content in a timely manner. Here are some general guidelines to utilizing trends in an effective way. Timeliness. It's important to recognize trends as early as possible and join in. That way, as the trend begins to gain traction, your content will gain views as it begins to take off. Originality. It's important to bring something new to a trend instead of simply replicating what everyone else is doing. This original element could be your own brand messaging, a unique visual, or a different content format. Relatability. The best kinds of trending content give voice to something we've all felt before, but didn't know how to say. This makes the content shareable as people DM or repost the content as a way to connect with their friends and audience. For best results, you can apply these three elements to any type of trending content. The types of trends we'll be looking at today are video trends, CapCut template trends, and memes. There are a few kinds of video trends on TikTok and Instagram, and I find it helpful to break them down into two categories: trending audio and trending visuals. Since you can use the audio from any TikTok and Instagram video that has been posted, a viral video is usually the origin for most trending audios. Other users will then take the audio from that video and either lip sync or add their own twist to the video. Music can also trend on TikTok and Instagram, so adding a viral song to your video can also give your content an extra boost. A trending visual can also go viral alongside a trending audio. This can be anything from a TikTok dance routine, interesting transition, or a specific filter. When hopping on a trend, it's important to copy the essential parts of the trend while also making it unique to you. If you're using a trending audio and transition, make sure you're bringing your own story to it. Here's an example of how trends begin. Taylor Swift's Eras Tour took the internet by storm, and many clips of her concert went viral on TikTok. Here's a video of her calling out a security guard in the middle of her performance. After this clip went viral, many people used the audio from the clip to create their own viral videos. Here are two different takes on the same trend. Biteable is an online video editing app for businesses. They made an incredibly relatable video for anyone who owns pets and works remotely. iDoc is a popular account run by a medical professional. He creates educational and entertaining content. As you can see, his take on the trend is completely different as he relates it to his optometry practice. His messaging is entertaining and relatable, but also calls out a common issue of misbelieving a diagnosis or belittling another person's experience. A common question is how to find trends in the first place. Instagram denotes a trend by the diagonal arrow next to the audio. While scrolling Instagram Reels, you can either save the reel or the audio to return to it later for content planning. I find it helpful to save Instagram Reels to a collection for organization. You can also create a shared collection with your team to collaborate on finding trends and compiling them together. TikTok trends can be a bit more tricky to spot as there are no arrows or any other symbols to note the trend. You can discover TikTok trends by seeing a repeated audio as you're scrolling your For You page. If you're seeing an audio consistently, that usually means it's trending. You can also look at the dates of the videos posted with the audio to see if it's a new trend that's just beginning to take off. Most social media trends originate on TikTok before going viral on Instagram. If you create a trend video on TikTok, keep an eye out for when the trend begins to gain traction on Instagram so you can repost your content and be ahead of the curve. CapCut trends are another form of trending videos. CapCut is a free video editing app with templates that are easy to recreate. Many CapCut templates go viral on TikTok, providing a great low-lift opportunity to add trending content to your content schedule. It's easy to identify CapCut templates on TikTok as there's a button on the bottom left that says try this template. Before you hit the button to start creating your video, make sure to save the TikTok audio on the original video. You'll want to add this audio later. Once in the CapCut app, you can add your custom photo or videos to the background. You can edit the text within CapCut or hit the spacebar to export without text. From there, you can add text in TikTok along with the TikTok trending audio. Memes are another great way to utilize trending content for your business. Whenever a pop culture event happens, you can expect to see all kinds of memes across social media. Events like the Met Gala, award shows, important movie releases, or unexpected celebrity events are great opportunities to create memes for your audience. You can either recreate your own memes based on memes that others are posting, or you can look up photos from the event and turn them into a meme. Here are two easy meme formats. Post the photo with a caption, or caption the individual characters in the post. Just like any other trending content, making memes specific and relatable is the key to success. Trends can be a valuable part of your content strategy as they usually have a higher reach and engagement compared to other types of content. However, it's important to use them to supplement other brand content instead of relying on them for your primary social media strategy. Scheduling core brand content in advance will free up time to find trends quickly and churn out trending content in a timely manner. We give you full permission to copy any trends that we share on social media. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok and save time by stealing trending audios, content ideas, or meme templates. That wraps up today's webinar on social media trends. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll hang on for a few moments to finish answering any questions you may have. You'll also receive a recording of this call to reference as needed. If you want to continue the conversation, feel free to contact our team through our chat or over email at contact@loomly.com.